back to my channel. And yes, today I'm going to share my favorite high protein breakfast recipe with you all. I eat this breakfast almost every day and I posted in my Insta stories, and few of you guys requested me to share the recipe. So yeah, here I am. I'm going to share the recipe, and this is very easy, very simple recipe. This is basically no cook recipe, and if you're someone who don't have enough time for cooking, this is definitely going to help you out, and this is delicious as well. So yes, without dragging this video further, let's just begin the recipe. The very first ingredient that I'm going to take in this recipe is coconut flour, and coconut flour is rich in essential fatty acids, and that is the reason why I have taken it as a first ingredient. And this is also very rich, so you won't feel hungry after having it. My next ingredient is psyllium husk, जिसे हम इसबगोल भी कहते हैं. Normally when you're on low carb diet, तो फाइबर थोड़ा कम हो जाता है, so this will help you to fulfill your fiber intake. Or yes, that is the reason why I have taken psyllium husk, and I have taken about 1 tablespoon of psyllium husk. You can take according to your requirement. Next ingredient that I'm going to take is chia seeds, and they are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds is also rich in antioxidants, and they also provide fiber, iron and calcium. Try adding chia seeds into your diet so you can definitely see the difference. Now the next ingredient is the most important and my favorite, whey protein, and here I have taken Ultimate Nutrition का whey protein. You can take protein from any brand जो कि आपको पसंद हो या आप ले रहे हो already. और यहाँ मैंने लिया है chocolate flavor. I love chocolate, so I have taken 1 full scoop of whey protein, which will provide me 25 gram of protein. Now the next ingredient is my favorite, which is peanut butter. This is just going to enhance the taste of this whole breakfast. I love peanut butter. I just love the taste of it. But if you're someone who don't like peanut butter, so you can totally skip it. Here I have taken 1 teaspoon of peanut butter, and this is going to add that thickness, and the taste will totally change. I have tried it without peanut butter, but I just love this breakfast with peanut butter. So yes, that's the reason I have added it, but you can totally skip it if you don't like it. So yes, before adding the next ingredient, मैं सारी चीज़ों को बिल्कुल अच्छे से mix कर लूँगी, so there won't be any lump. Now adding my next ingredient, which is a fresh cream. आप totally skip कर सकते हो if you don't want to add that, but मुझे अच्छा लगता है cream का taste and वो जो thickness add करता है cream इसमें. And now I'm just going to mix everything really well by adding little water. आप अपने requirement के हिसाब से water add कर सकते हैं, and then I'm just going to mix everything. And now final touch up के लिए I'm adding some nuts for garnishing, and I have used almond and walnut. आप कोई भी nut use कर सकते हो जो आपको पसंद हो, या फिर आप skip भी कर सकते हो. But yes, I have taken almond and walnut. और बस मैं इसे अच्छे से गार्निश कर दूंगी, एंड माई ब्रेकफास्ट इज ऑलमोस्ट रेडी. यू कैन सी हाउ ब्यूटीफुल इट लुक्स, बट जितना ब्यूटीफुल ये दिख रहा है उससे कहीं ज़्यादा डिलीशियस ये खाने में लगता है. बट आई वुड सजेस्ट यू टू ईट दिस वन इमीडिएटली आफ्टर प्रिपेयरिंग इट, क्योंकि ये अगर आप इसे रख देते हो तो वो वे प्रोटीन का टेस्ट थोड़ा सा बिटर लगने लगता है. सो मेक श्योर जब आप बना रहे हो तो इमीडिएटली इसे खा लें, या फिर थोड़ी देर के लिए आप इसे फ्रीज़र में रख सकते हैं, रख के थोड़ा ठंडा करके खा सकते हैं. बट आई प्रिफर हैविंग इट जस्ट आफ्टर आई प्रिपेयर इट. तुरंत ही खाना पसंद करती हूँ. सो येस, माई ब्रेकफास्ट इज रेडी, एंड डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन हाउ डिड यू लाइक दिस ब्रेकफास्ट आइडिया. और अगर इस तरह की वीडियोस आपको और देखने हैं तो वो भी मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताएं. I'll make more such videos because I normally do a lot of experiment with my diet food, and I keep on preparing some new stuffs. So if you want, I can definitely share those with you all. And with that, I'm just gonna end this video here, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, share this video with your loved ones जिनके लिए ये beneficial हो सकता है, जो टाइम के चलते डाइट नहीं कर पाते हैं क्योंकि उन्हें खाना बनाने के लिए, कुकिंग के लिए टाइम नहीं मिलता. And yes, I'll see you with my next post. Till then, take care. Bye bye.